Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another do. So this time around, I am sporting blue black hair. Unfortunately, it's not picking up on camera with all the lights, and I guess indoors it's not picking up the color at all, but I'll definitely insert some footage at the end of how the hair looks outdoors. I kind of like the fact that you can't really tell indoors that it is blue black, because you can actually wear this to work, you can really pretty much wear this and it's not going to be overpowering for society. So as you guys can see, this is a custom unit. I actually made this wig and I used 3 bundles of Yolissa hair in 16 inches and the frontal. You guys, I got the frontal on Amazon from a company called Bliss Hair. This is actually the best frontal I've used in a very long time. Let's just take a look at this frontal. The way it just lays on my skin without me even securing it with glue, you wouldn't even know that this is a frontal. Like, where's the lace? It was very natural and I loved it. So as you guys can see, I am just cutting the ear tabs. The frontal is 13 by 6 and it's straight hair. And the only thing that I did was I bleached the knots, of course, and colored it. And I didn't even need to pluck. It came pre-plucked and it was very natural looking. So I am going to go ahead and show you guys the install. Of course, I use Gold Spawn glue, 3 layers, and I do it by sections, as you guys know with my recent videos. I do the same process when it comes to installing my wigs, and I brought the baby hairs back for this install, so you guys will get to see me create some baby hairs for this install. As far as coloring the hair, I didn't show the coloring process. It was very stressful. The 3 bundles I colored first, and what I did was I used bleach and developer to lighten the hair, because I literally lifted the hair from black to blonde and then colored it the blue. I had to bleach the hair 2 times in order for the color to take. If you go ahead and bleach your hair 1 time, it's not going to be light enough, and you'll probably end up with green hair as opposed to blue black. So I did that process 2 times, and then once I was done, I basically colored the hair with indigo blue and navy blue. As far as the frontal is concerned, I had to lift it twice as well, and I had to color it twice as well, because there were some areas that I missed along the hairline and in the roots, because I was so afraid of getting the color on the lace, which I really did a good job. If you guys noticed in the beginning of the video when I showed you inside the wig, I had only 1 black dot on that wig, so I was pretty impressed. I did a really good job coloring this hair. I hope you guys really enjoy this. I'm loving this subtle but fun look. Stay tuned for the end of the video, where I will insert some video of how the hair looks outdoors, so you guys can determine if you want to try this color or not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please like this video if you liked it, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.